You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this Chinese name? In Chinese Mandarin, it is said as Zhang. Okay, so the ZH is pronounced a bit like a J. Zhang. The G at the end is kind of silent. You got this sound. So in English, it's generally said as Zhang. Zhang. Some may say it as Zhang, but that'd be, I think, incorrect. I mean, let me know in the comments what you think, how you say it. Zhang is how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.